Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. We're going out fishing today with Captain Keith, North Myrtle Beach. And this is his favorite lure.
Oh, okay.
So if we can throw that on and tip it with shrimp or something to see if he catches anything, that'd be great. What are the temps like here in the winter time?
Oh, they're not bad. Our average winters 50s during the daytime and low 40s at night.
What do you think, Callen? You ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're on the Scout 251, going out of the North Myrtle Beach Yacht Club. A little different than the pontoon boat, huh, Callen?
Yeah.
It's bigger than the skiff that we've taken in Blue Marsh.
Yeah. Captain Keith Logan operates his boat out of the Myrtle Beach Yacht Club in North Myrtle Beach. His company is North Myrtle Beach Fishing Charters, and I'll put his contact information in here. But if you have a young child going out on a charter for the very first time, I recommend Captain Keith. He was really good with Callen, made Callen feel very comfortable on the boat, and Callen spent the entire day just really enjoying himself out there on the water. Yeah, I'm gonna put mine right there.
No, Pop. Look, it's cup holders.
Yeah, but I'm gonna keep mine cold in there, in the ice. There you go. We'll put Todd's over there if you want it back in there. Now, Captain Keith has a Scout 251 bay boat with a 300 horsepower Yamaha on the back, so it's got plenty of juice to get you where you need to be and to outrun any storm that's coming in. Of course, here we're headed down the intercoastal waterway to the inlet. We're going to try first at the inlet and then do some backwater fishing.
Hit the body every time and leave the head.
Is the cork going down when they do it, or is
Yeah, it goes down. I start reeling a little bit.
But it's not going down hard, it's just...
No, yeah, it's like they're small.
Yeah.
There you go.
We'll see what it is here in a minute. That's a bluefish. That must be what these things.
What bluefish, Callen?
Should be enough current here, though. They're not, shouldn't be biting these. There you go. The trout bite was really good here this morning. I believe.
Kobe, it was short by 2 inches.
Bluefish are bad. Bluefish are bad.
Where did we catch the big? We caught the big bluefish in Key West too, where we were on the bottom just jigging, and we caught really big.
That wasn't bluefish, though.
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh no, they were blue runners. Blue runner. See if we can catch some different fish, pal.
I'm looking. You have your shrimp on there, though.
Yeah.
Gotta get a shrimp out of there.
Get a shrimp there, Callen. That's it.
See it low.
Got him. Big shrimp.
He's still alive at least.
There. Now you got him.
Looks like a sea trout.
There's a nice trout. Oh!
Damn it!
An auto release by Todd.
Oh, he took the whole
Hook.
Did he take everything?
Yeah, I lost the hook.
Got him.
Got something?
Got him.
You got a puffer fish.
Little Look at this fish, Callen. Little puffer. Oh, there he goes.
Take another one, Pops.
Okay. There we go. I'm good. I'm good.
No, you guys might just have to form assembly line there and just walk around.
Yeah.
There you go. Another trout.
Ah,
Yeah, little guy, that
Finally.
a lot of trout.
See him.
Catching lots of them.
See that little trout. Captain Keith getting that hook out. There he is. Nice spots on that fish.
Look at the
There we
teeth
go.
he's got, Callen.
See those teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah,
There you go.
very shallow right now.
These fish are
Did you shorten this one or
not?
not?
Yes, sir,
Fish and
you're
a
good to
trout.
go.
Right.
All right.
Can I have another bait, Callen?
Yep.
You're doing a good job, Callen. He might hire you.
Yeah, good bait there.
Callen does own a tiki bar.
Oh, you do?
Made $8 at his last party.
Oh. There you go.
Here you go, Pop. Pops.
That thing to be on top of it. There you go. You're down. You're down.
Got him. He's off.
Oh, there's shrimp over there, and you're in my way, Pop.
Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry, I didn't mean to get in the way of your job. Jeez. All of a sudden, he's filing a union violation on me here.
Yeah. Can we have another shrimp? He needs shrimp. Nah, you can hook them sometimes, but their whole mouth is
There's
just
one
full of
under
teeth.
there. There's one under the seat.
Okay, I'll grab him. Dump him back in there so they stay alive.
Okay. Get in, Doug. Oh, we got a double hook up here.
Looks like a bluegill, but I don't know what it really is.
Pretty much is a bluegill, yes sir. It's a pinfish. It's pretty much a saltwater bluegill.
Alright.
Other than you can't eat them. They're not edible.
Let's take a look at
And they have human teeth.
Let's take a look at that pinfish. Oh yeah, look at that. Huh. There he
Yeah,
is.
you want
He's
a
a pretty
picture?
big
Everything
pinfish.
on his body.
Rough.
You want a picture of my massive fish?
There you go. You haven't been skunked.
Nah.
Oh, there he is. See that trout?
Yeah. Chasing my shrimps. There we go.
Oh, it's a little redfish.
All right, count a redfish.
Are we gonna keep it?
He's not big enough.
He's too small.
Got you with
There he is. You see that big spot giving him away?
Yeah.
Little redfish.
Watch this when we put him in the water. His tail turned blue.
Oh yeah.
It turned blue.
Oh, yeah.
That's from him eating all the crustaceans. There you go.
Pretty big.
It'll take him just a minute to pull this one down. So.
Hey,
Hey!
get away, man.
What?
Seagull trying to get the cord.
It went under.
What would I-
Got something.
Trout. Trout. Little trout. Guy.
Go.
Have to be.
14 inches.
Come here, buddy. Something's up your.
That's some stupid little. That looks good. Let me know if I go under.
Are you taking away from both?
Poppy,
Yeah. I don't need one. I'm in the water.
Keep.
here you go.
Do you have
Pop.
pliers?
Yeah, I got all three hooks through them.
Okay, Callen, can you come over here and bring a shrimp for me, buddy? Callen, can you bring me a shrimp? Your dad, we'll get him back fishing and I'll get that one.
Yeah, I'll go in here, get out of the
Is that
way.
another shrimp?
Yeah. Alright, let's see him. Oh yeah, he got him
This is a good spot.
good. He got tons. Oh, another
Watch
trout.
out, Pop.
Yeah, we got another trout here coming in the boat.
Oh, no, we don't.
Catch and release. Can we have another shrimp, please, sir?
You lived down here your whole life?
Yes, sir. I grew up right over there, the bridge, high rise, water tank. That's Sunset Beach, North Carolina. That's the area I grew up in. How far from here? I didn't move far from home. Yeah, we did another bait though. Well,
Little ones.
that one's the nest. He's really big. It would take a really big redfish to eat him.
If you'd like to get out on the water but don't care to fish, Captain Keith also offers echo tours that are approximately 2 hours where you'll see dolphin and other wildlife in the water. So that might be an option for those of you who want to get out on the water but don't want to spend your time fishing. So he has options available. Now all the fishing gear and the bait and tackle is provided by Captain Keith when you take one of his tours. You could bring your own fishing rod if you wanted to use your own rod, but he has everything available. The only thing we took was suntan lotion and a cooler full of drinks and snacks. Croaker sounds great.
Yeah.
There's a little croaker.
There he goes. He's making his little croaking noise.
I got that on camera flying in front of me.
What's that?
I think I got that on camera flying in front of me.
Oh, did you? Black drum. Oh, yeah, we're gonna need one. That's the black drum there. Look at that. Look at that.
Can we keep that?
Yeah, black drum.
I guess we can keep.
You want to touch him?
Nah.
Let's see. Nice black drum.
I have another big trout.
Oh, Bob's got one back here that's been all quiet. You got him a trout coming in here. Not quite big enough though.
It is pretty big, isn't it?
Oops, sorry about that. I thought you had it.
Yeah, he's still not quite there.
Need a big one?
Now check it out.
There you go.
Need another shrimp poppy?
No, I still got it. Still got it.
Wait for it to go down.
Yeah, wait for it to completely go out of time. That's a big little fish.
Yeah, I love the backwater more than the ocean.
One more little one.
Oh.
Trout right there.
Yeah.
He's in
How's it going, Pop?
at the
Pretty good.
for redfish.
Is it going good, Popsy?
I think so. We're catching a big variety, and that's what we
Oh,
like.
I've got him another fish here. What's he got?
And I
Need
Yeah.
another
That's a
trout?
nice looking fish
I
right
let it
there.
coast all the way back.
Look
Yeah.
at his teeth, Callen. Did you see his teeth?
Yeah.
Got that one. Yeah, let's do
They
it.
got two on him.
Snaggle tooth.
Yeah.
Need
Nice.
another one?
I do, Callen. I need a shrimp.
Big bite. They might have been moving back in the boat there too. How far were you away from where you are now, where he is? Or?
Yeah.
That's about where they. I mean, that's typically when they stop biting over here, they kind of move around to there. And then, yeah, they're all like today.
There we go.
They're all the same size. Can you get us another one the same size as that one there?
All right, there you go, Doug. You got that redfish. How's that feel?
That's good.
Hey, if you enjoyed this video or it helped you, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, it helps me out a lot. Also, ring that bell, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And give the video a thumbs up. That helps it be seen by a wider audience. But more important than all that,